Are you looking to achieve a flat belly and boost your overall health? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to share with you all a delicious and nutritious recipe for a flat belly detox smoothie. Packed with wholesome ingredients, these smoothies will help you cleanse your body and promote a flatter tummy. So, let's get started. Hold up a bunch of fresh spinach, a ripe banana, a cucumber, a lemon, a knob of ginger, and a glass of coconut water. To make this flat belly detox smoothie, you'll need the following ingredients. A handful of fresh spinach for its detoxifying properties and fiber content. 1 ripe banana, rich in potassium and natural sweetness. A cucumber, which is hydrating and aids in digestion. Half a lemon, which is great for detoxification and adding a tangy flavor. A small knob of ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. And finally, a glass of coconut water to add hydration and natural electrolytes. Preparing the ingredients. Wash the spinach thoroughly. Peel and slice the cucumber. Peel the ginger and slice it into smaller pieces. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Peel the ripe banana. Let's blend it all. Place all the ingredients into a blender. Pour in the glass of coconut water. Place the lid on the blender and start blending the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Pour and present. Take a tall glass. Pour the flat belly detox smoothie into the glass. You can garnish the smoothie with a slice of cucumber or a sprig of fresh mint. Now that we have our flat belly detox smoothie ready, let's talk about its fantastic benefits. This smoothie is loaded with nutrient-rich ingredients that can support your journey towards a flatter belly and improved overall well-being. The fresh spinach in this smoothie is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It helps to flush out toxins from the body and promote healthy digestion, which can contribute to a flatter belly. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance in the body and reduce bloating. The natural sweetness of bananas also adds a delightful flavor to our smoothie. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, which aids in hydration and helps flush out toxins. They also contain enzymes that support healthy digestion, reducing the chances of bloating and promoting a flat tummy. The addition of lemon juice adds a refreshing citrusy taste to the smoothie. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and have natural detoxifying properties that can help cleanse your system. Ginger has long been praised for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe the digestive system. It aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and can help you achieve a flatter belly. Coconut water is not only a delicious base for our smoothie but also provides natural electrolytes and hydration. It helps maintain fluid balance and supports overall well-being. This flat belly detox smoothie tastes delicious. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Flat Belly Smoothie. This vibrant and fruity blend is loaded with antioxidants and will satisfy your taste buds while helping you achieve a flatter tummy. Add a handful of mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries to the blender. Slice a ripe banana and add it to the blender. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Pour in a glass of almond milk. Add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, which is completely optional. Place the lid on the blender and start blending the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Take a tall glass. Pour the Berry Blast Flat Belly Smoothie into the glass. Garnish the smoothie with a few fresh berries or a sprinkle of chia seeds, optional. This Berry Blast Flat Belly Smoothie is bursting with antioxidants from the mixed berries and provides a healthy dose of fiber from the chia seeds. It's a delicious way to satisfy your cravings and support your flat belly goals. Here is another recipe of tropical turmeric detox smoothie. Add a cup of fresh pineapple chunks to the blender. Add a ripe mango, peeled and sliced, to the blender. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. Squeeze the juice of half a lime into the blender. Add a handful of baby spinach for its detoxifying benefits. Pour in a glass of coconut water. Place the lid on the blender and start blending the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Take a tall glass. Pour the tropical turmeric detox smoothie into the glass. Garnish the smoothie with a pineapple slice or a sprinkle of turmeric, which is completely optional. This tropical turmeric detox smoothie is a vibrant blend of tropical flavors, packed with the goodness of pineapple, mango, and spinach. The addition of turmeric gives it an anti-inflammatory boost. It's like a tropical vacation for your taste buds. Here is another recipe of creamy green tea detox smoothie. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Add a handful of fresh spinach to the blender. Add a sliced cucumber to the blender. Add a ripe pear, cored and sliced, to the blender. Pour in the cooled green tea. Add a tablespoon of almond butter for creaminess and healthy fats. Place the lid on the blender and start blending the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Pour the creamy green tea detox smoothie into the glass. Garnish the smoothie with a cucumber slice or a sprinkle of matcha powder, which is completely optional. This creamy green tea detox smoothie combines the antioxidant power of green tea with the refreshing flavors of spinach, cucumber, and pear. The addition of almond butter gives it a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats. It's a delightful way to recharge and support your flat belly goals. Enjoy these flavorful and nourishing smoothies as part of your wellness routine. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the ingredients according to your preferences. Cheers to a healthier you. Dealing with stubborn belly fat can be tiresome, but the perfect combination of diet and exercise to help you achieve a flat belly. By making a few simple lifestyle changes, you'll be well on your way to a trimmer waistline. What you eat plays a significant role in reducing belly fat and promoting a leaner physique. Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Watch your portion sizes. Focus on eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day rather than indulging in large portions. This will help keep your calorie intake in check. Make sure your meals contain a balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Include lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu, along with whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Minimize your consumption of processed foods, as they often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps flush out toxins from your body. An example of a healthy meal for a flat belly includes grilled chicken breast, a side of quinoa or brown rice, steamed vegetables, and a colorful salad filled with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Regular physical activity is essential for toning your abdominal muscles and shedding excess fat. Here are some effective exercises to help you achieve a flat belly. Engage in aerobic activities like running, cycling, swimming, or dancing. These exercises increase your heart rate, burn calories, and promote overall fat loss, including belly fat. Start with a standard plank by placing your forearms on the ground, aligning your elbows with your shoulders, and holding the position for 30 seconds to a minute. As you progress, challenge yourself with side planks and plank variations. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and mimic a pedaling motion while simultaneously bringing your opposite elbow to the opposite knee. Bicycle crunches engage your abdominal muscles and obliques, contributing to a flatter belly. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Hold your hands together and twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground on either side. This exercise targets your obliques and strengthens your core. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to maximize your results. By combining a healthy diet and regular exercise, you can achieve a flat belly and improve your overall well-being. Remember to be patient with yourself, as sustainable results take time. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and make these lifestyle changes a part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep striving for that flat belly. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay committed to your health goals, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.